This is Quideo 4 advanced question. So the advanced question asks, Pew Research in November 2011 polled a random sample of 799 U.S. teens about internet use. 49% of those teens reported that they had misrepresented their age online to gain access to websites and online services. So part A is asking us to find the margin of error for this poll if we want 95% confidence in our estimate of the percent of American teens who have misrepresented their age online. So to do this, we will use this formula right here. So basically this formula is just me using the percentage and then our z-score, which we get handily from our table C. And so basically what we do is we go down to here, we go across to 95% and we get 1.960. So we use that, and then we square root it all over the, basically it's 1 minus n equals p, or no, n minus p values. So it would just be 49%, and then the opposite, which would be 0.51, because that makes it 100. And then you divide it by 799, which is our n value, and square root that. And so basically that just gave us a total of 0.0347, and then we add we add and subtract this from 0.49 to get our n values of 0.4553 and 0.5247 as our max and min. So B says explain what the margin of error means in context. So basically in context we are 95% confident that the proportion of teens that reported that they had misrepresented their age online to gain access to websites and online services are between 0.4553 and 0.5247, or 45.53% and 52.47%. Next, part C asks, if we only need to be 90% confident, will the margin of error be larger or smaller? Explain. So for part C, I said the margin of error would be smaller because the confidence interval is smaller with 90% compared to that of 95%. So what I mean by this is that if we look at our C table again and we go down to z-score and we look for 90%, it's 1.645, and basically this is a much smaller number, which will result into basically a smaller number for our equation. And I did the math and it gave me a couple decimal places smaller than this one, representing that if it's a smaller confidence interval, then our margin of error would be much smaller and not larger. And that is our advanced question.